G'day guys, it's Geoff Braico from ADB Magazine, and we have had an epic couple of days. We've flown all the way to Italy, Faenza I believe it's called, and we are here riding the brand new Ducati Desmo450 MX machine. Yes, I am an off-road guy, but man, I was excited to ride this bike. There's been a lot of chatter over the last sort of 12 months about this bike coming out with the new Desmo technology, and I'm super excited to have ridden this bike. And it's not only that, I knew how awesome Ducati was as a company. I am leaving here with a whole new perspective and admiration for what these guys do. The way that they have treated us, not only riding the bike and just being involved with riding the bike, the stuff behind the scenes that goes on with this company is unbelievable. It's actually been a massive privilege to see what they do, and actually just to be a part of what they do. Yesterday was amazing. We actually got to witness firsthand the first bike rolling off the production line, which was amazing, and just seeing the emotion and everything that goes into it for them it really is an inspiring just company in general. It's incredible. So and from that, realistically, the bike is exactly the same. The bike is phenomenal. We rode on a track that is pretty epic, a lot of elevation, super hard pack, and it was an eye-opener for me. It's been a long time since I've ridden a proper motocross track, but this bike was a lot of fun. Revs to the moon. It's pretty incredible how far it does rev. I didn't really know what to expect. I knew it was going to be good. I didn't expect it to be as good as what I've witnessed. Shower suspension, front and rear, got better as the day went on and the track got rougher for me. The motor itself, it's different to a 450. I've spent a lot of time, my bike at home was a YZ450 FX, so I sort of had a bit of a gauge on where I wanted it to be. And the Desmo technology with how free the motor revs and all that sort of stuff it just feels very different, and yet still very manageable at the same time. The bike, I think, has a huge potential for a very wide range of riders, and that's what Ducati want. Different mapping. I think it has 4 different maps. I like the aggressive map with the traction control on, so it was still nice and responsive off the bottom, but didn't want to rip out of my hands. And yeah, I was really impressed with just how the bike felt. I struggled a little bit with the stock seat originally, and then I had a bit of a fanboy moment, and I said, "Oh, can I have a gripper seat?" And the mechanics went into the truck and they pulled the seat off Antonio Cairoli's race bike, and they put it on my bike, and that was pretty epic, and that changed the whole bike for me. That I could control it better, I could tip into the turns, up the big hill up over on the track over there. I could control myself. I wasn't straining my arms so much, and it became so much more enjoyable. And overall, I'm leaving here and I have sore hands, I have a sore ass, and I've had a really good time. The bike we've done a lot of riding, we've done a lot of walking, and I just have a general admiration for what this bike is now, purely because of where it's come from, the direction the Ducati guys are, the passion that is involved in this project. We got to ride with Tony today, we got to ride with Alessandro Lupino as well, and that was just awesome. Everything about this trip as a whole has been awesome. I'm excited to see what this bike can do as it grows, because as a first attempt at a 450, it's pretty damn impressive what they've accomplished. And I mean, yeah, I think okay, it could be a little bit on the pricier side compared to other bikes, but overall I think the competition's good. And yeah, the motor itself, the Desmo motor, it's unlike anything I've ever experienced, and it's really nice package. I would like to feel around with the gearing a little bit for home. I think this track is a lot faster than what we have at home. And yeah, overall it's just It's been a really, really, really fun day. Fun couple of days, actually. It's been a long journey to get here. I think it was like 26 hours, maybe even longer. But yeah, it's been well worth the end. And yeah, massive thank you to Ducati and everybody involved over there. The hospitality has been unbelievable. Thank you to ADB Mag for allowing me to do this sort of stuff. Thank you to Alpine Stars for hooking me up with some brand new stuff. And yeah, keep an eye out for the upcoming mag for a full review. And yeah, it's been a really good time. And if you ever get a chance to fly to Italy and visit Ducati factory and see what it's all about, I highly recommend it, because I can't speak highly enough for the people behind the project as well. It's been a pretty incredible and inspiring trip. So thank you everyone involved, and I'm looking forward to what they have in store for the future, whether it's 250, whether it's enduro bikes, I don't know. But this is definitely an exciting time for this brand, and I'm all about it. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.